Hi there. Welcome to another exciting lesson on ExamPadi. Our topic today is addition and subtraction of fractions. And in this lesson, we will 1. Discuss the meaning of fractions. 2. Discover ways to solve given problems on addition and subtraction of fractions with similar and different denominators. 3. Perform tasks on word problems using addition and subtraction of fractions. Think of a group of friends who have different amounts of marbles. If one friend gives some marbles to another, they are adding to their friend's collection. The friend who receives the marbles now has more than they started with. If the friend later decides to give some marbles back, they are subtracting from their collection. Now, they have fewer marbles than when they first received them. Adding fraction is like the first friend giving marbles, and subtracting fractions is like giving some back. Just like you need to make sure you are trading the same type of marble with fractions, you need to make sure the parts you are adding or subtracting are the same type, which means they have the same denominator. It is all about sharing and exchanging equally. Before we delve into the operations, let's recall what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole, or more commonly, any number of equal parts. Sometimes, we want to add or subtract two fractions to find the total number. This activity is called addition and subtraction of fractions. You've already learned that a common fraction is written as two whole numbers, one on top of the other, numerator and denominator. For example, Malini ate 1.5 slices of bread for lunch and 2.5 slices for dinner. What is the total number of bread slices she had? In the stated example, it is necessary to add the fractions. How do you add or subtract fractions? What are the steps involved? Let us take an overview of the addition and subtraction of fractions. All fractions cannot be added or subtracted easily. However, the following methods are available in the addition and subtractions of fractions. 1. Add or subtract fractions with the same denominator. 2. Add or subtract fractions with different denominators. 3. Add or subtract mixed fractions. Now let's take a look at addition or subtraction of fractions using similar denominators. In this method, adding or subtracting a fraction is very easy because the denominators of the two fractions are the same. Examples: 1. 5/8 plus 2/8. Step 1. Denominators are the same. Step 2. Take the numerators 5 and 2 respectively and add them. That is, we have 5 plus 2 divided by 8. Step 3. Give the final answer. 5 plus 2 equals 7 divided by 8. Therefore, we have 7/8. 2. 5/8 minus 2/8. Step 1. Denominators are the same. Step 2. Take the numerators 5 and 2 respectively and subtract the smaller from the bigger numerator. And this gives us 5 minus 2 divided by 8. Step 3. Give the final answer. 5 minus 2 divided by 8 equals 3/8. Addition or subtraction of fractions with different denominators. In this method, the denominators are not the same in two fractions. Thus, the numerators and denominators are different in the two fractions, so we need to make the denominators equal. Let us add two fractions, 3/8 plus 5/12. Did you notice the difference between the numerators and the denominators I mentioned earlier? Let's look at the stepwise solution for adding two fractions, 3/8 and 5/12. Step 1. Take the least common multiple, also known as the LCM, for the denominators of the above fractions, which are 8 and 12, respectively. LCM is the smallest number which is used as a common multiple of the two numbers. 24 is a common multiple for 8 and 12. Step 2. Convert denominators 8 and 12 into 24. For 3/8, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, which equals 3/8 times 3/3, and this gives us 9/24. For 5/12, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. This equals 5/12 multiplied by 2/2, and this equals 10/24. Step 3. Now, the denominators of the two fractions are the same. We have 9/24, 10/24. Step 4. Take the numerators 9 and 10 respectively and add them. This equals 9 plus 10 divided by 24. Step 5. Give a final answer, which equals 19 divided by 24. A similar procedure can be followed to subtract the fractions with different denominators. Example: 3 divided by 8 minus 5 divided by 12. Solution. Step 1. Denominators are different, so take the least common multiple. 24 is a common multiple of 8 and 12. Step 2. Make the denominators equal by multiplying 3/3 with 3/8 and multiplying 2/2 with 5/12. 3/8 equals 3/8 multiplied by 3/3, and this gives us 9/24. 5/12 equals 5/12 times 2/2, and this gives us 10/24. Step 3. Take the numerators and subtract. 3/8 minus 5/12 equals 9/24 minus 10/24. This equals 9 minus 10 divided by 24. That is, subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator. Step 4. Answer equals minus 1 divided by 24, or minus 1/24. How do we add and subtract mixed fractions? Remember that a mixed fraction is defined as a fraction and a whole number combined into one mixed number. Depending on the denominator, two following methods are available for adding or subtracting a mixed fraction. These methods are: 1. If the same denominators are present in the mixed fraction, and 2. If different denominators are present in the mixed fraction. Addition or subtraction of mixed fraction with the same denominator. In this method, the mixed fraction consists of the same denominators. The following steps are involved to add or subtract the mixed fraction. Step 1. Add the whole number of two fractions separately. Step 2. Add the fractions separately. Step 3. Combine the whole number and the fraction of both. Step 4. Convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Example: 3 whole number 2/5 plus 1 whole number 4/5. Step 1. Add the whole number of the two fractions separately. That is, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Step 2. Add the fractions separately, which equals 2/5 plus 4/5. Since they have the same denominator, the answer is 6/5. Step 3. Combine step 1 and 2. This equals 4 whole number 6 over 5. In 4 whole number 6 over 5, 6 over 5 is an improper fraction. So, convert it into a properly mixed fraction. We can then say 6 over 5 equals 1 whole number 1 all over 5. That is, how many 5 can we find the 6? And that is 1. We are left with 1, which is the remainder. Therefore, we have 1 whole number 1 over 5. Step 4. Now, add step 1 and step 3. This equals 4 plus 1 whole number 1 all over 5, which gives us 5 whole number 1 all over 5. The answer is 5 whole number 1 all over 5. We also have an alternative method of solving a mixed fraction. In this method, the step is to convert the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and then we can perform the addition or subtraction. The steps involved in this method are: convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Check if the denominators are the same. Now, take the denominator as common and add or subtract as per the given numerators. Finally, simplify the answer. Example: 3 whole number 2 over 5 plus 1 whole number 4 over 5. The first thing we have to do is convert the first mixed fraction into an improper fraction. The first step we have to take is convert the first mixed fraction into an improper fraction. That is 3 whole number 2 over 5, which gives us 17 over 5. How did we arrive at 17 over 5? 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So we have 17 over 5. Let's convert the other mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 1 whole number 4 over 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Therefore, we have 9 over 5. Now, 3 whole number 2 over 5 plus 1 whole number 4 over 5 equals 17 over 5 plus 9 over 5. Since they have same denominator, we have 17 plus 9 divided by 5. And this gives us 26 over 5, or 5 whole number 1 over 5. Addition or subtraction of mixed fractions with different denominators. In this method, the mixed fraction consists of different denominators. The following steps are involved to add or subtract the mixed fraction. Example: 6 whole number 3 over 4 plus 3 whole number 5 over 8. Solution: in the above mixed fractions, the denominators are different, so we need to make the denominators the same. Step 1. Take LCM for denominators of the above fractions, that is 4 and 8 respectively. LCM is the smallest number which is used as a common multiple of two numbers. 8 is a common multiple for 4 and 8. Step 2. Convert denominators 4 and 8 into 8. That is, LCM of 4 and 8 gives 8. In 3 over 4, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. That is, 3 over 4 times 2 over 2. And this gives 6 over 8. In 5 over 8, multiply the numerator and denominator by 1. That is, 5 over 8 times 1 over 1, which equals 5 over 8. Note, we must do to the numerator what we do to the denominator. Now, denominators are the same in the mixed fraction. 6 whole number 3 over 4 plus 3 whole number 5 over 8 equals 6 whole number 6 over 8 plus 3 whole number 5 over 8. Step 3. Add the whole number of two fractions separately. That is 6 plus 3, which equals 9. We can call this equation 1. Step 4. Add the fractions separately. That is 6 over 8 plus 5 over 8. Since they are having the same denominator, we have 11 over 8. This is equation 2. 11 over 8 is an improper fraction. So, convert it into a properly mixed fraction. 11 over 8 equals one whole number 3 over 8. That is equation 3. Step 5. Combine both equation 1 and 3. This gives us 9 plus one whole number 3 over 8, which equals 10 whole number 3 over 8. We have an alternative method to this. The steps involved in this method are: convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Check the denominators to see whether they are equal. If not, make them equal. Now, take the denominator as common and add or subtract as per the given numerators. Finally, simplify the answer. Thus, the above example can be solved as 6 whole number 3 over 4 plus 3 whole number 5 over 8. Solving the first mixed fraction, 6 whole number 3 over 4, 6 multiplied by 4, 24, 24 plus 3 equals 27 over 4. Solving the second mixed fraction, 3 whole number 5 over 8, 3 multiplied by 8, 24, 24 plus 5, 29. This gives 29 over 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now, make the denominators equal. That is 27 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 2 equals 54 divided by 8. 29 over 8 times 1 over 1 equals 29 over 8. Now we can say 6 whole number 3 over 4 plus 3 whole number 5 over 8 equals 54 over 8 plus 29 over 8. Since they are having the same denominator, which is 8, we can add the numerators together. That is 54 plus 29 divided by 8. 54 plus 29 equals 83. Therefore, our answer is 83 divided by 8. Take note of something. Your question is given in a mixed fraction. Therefore, your answer must appear in a mixed fraction. Therefore, 83 divided by 8 will be equals to 10 whole number 3 over 8. Similarly, we can subtract the mixed fraction. Suppose 6 whole number 3 over 4 minus 3 whole number 5 over 8. This equals 54 over 8 minus 29 over 8. Since they have the same denominator, 54 minus 29 divided by 8. This equals 25 divided by 8. Converting this to a mixed fraction, we have 3 whole number 1 over 8. Let's dive into word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. Example 1. Dubem spends 1 over 3 of his pocket money on clothes and 2 over 3 on candies. What fraction of his pocket money did he spend altogether? Solution. A fraction of his pocket money spent on clothes is 1 over 3. A fraction of his pocket money spent on candies is 2 over 3. Fraction of the money spent altogether equals fraction of his money spent on clothes plus fraction of his money spent on candies. Therefore, we have fraction of the money spent altogether equals 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Step 1. Denominators are the same. Step 2. Take the numerators 1 and 2 respectively and add them. This equals 1 plus 2 divided by 3. Step 3. Give the final answer. which equals 3 over 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 2. Only 9 over 10 of the mathematics class came to school on Friday. At the start of the lesson, the principal called 1 over 6 of the class to his office. What fraction of the class had mathematics on Friday? Solution. Fraction of mathematics class that were present in school equals 9 over 10. Fraction of mathematics class called by the principal equals 1 over 6. Fraction of the class that had mathematics equals fraction of mathematics class that were present in school minus fraction of mathematics class called by the principal. Fraction of the class that had mathematics equals 9 over 10 minus 1 over 6. Step 1. Denominators are different, so take the least common multiple, that is LCM. 30 is a common multiple of 10 and 6. Step 2. Divide the LCM, which is 30, by each of the denominators and multiply them by their numerators. We will arrive at 9 over 10 minus 1 over 6 equals over 30, which is the LCM. 10 in 30 is 3. 3 multiplied by 9 gives us 27. 6 in 30 is 5. 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. Then we have 27 minus 5 over 30. This equals 22 over 30. We find out that we can still divide this further. 2 in 22, 11. 2 in 30, 15. Therefore, the fraction of the class that had mathematics equals 11 over 15. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Here are a few questions to assess yourself. 1. Find the sum of the following fractions. A. 5 over 6 and 2 over 3. B. 1 over 8 and 7 over 8. C. 2 over 5 and 3 over 4. 2. Subtract 5 whole number 1 over 4 from 6 whole number 2 over 5. 3. Add 6 over 9, 2 over 9 and 11 over 9. 4. Subtract 26 over 49 from 16 over 42. And 5. In a certain class, 5 over 8 of the class are girls, and 9 over 10 of the girls take mathematics. Calculate the fraction of the girls' classes and those that take mathematics. Thank you for learning about addition and subtraction of fraction with me. See you in our next video. Bye.